Welcome to livingpianos.com. Robert Estrin here presenting a Golden Age Steinway Model M grand piano. One of the most popular Steinway models at 5'7". It can fit in almost any home and provide a rich, rewarding sound. Better than that, this piano has just been rebuilt with new strings, pinblock. The action is also rebuilt with German parts, Abel hammers, new shanks, knuckles, the whippens, the repetitions, the bushings, the front rail bushings, the whole thing is like new. It's refinished. It plays like a dream, and you can see why people clamor for these Steinways made. This one made in 1917. I'm going to play three selections for you, starting with a beautiful etude by Stefan Heller, a piece I love to teach. It's in C major. I wanted to start out with a beautiful, simple melody so you see what this piano is capable of. But now let's have some Chopin. What video about a piano is complete without some Chopin? So I'm going to play the B-flat mazurka for you. And this is a really fun mazurka. Mazurka is a dance form, and this one makes you almost want to get up and dance. What a joyful piece. The action is so smooth on this piano. When you have all the right action parts, and you must choose the parts that are right for the specific piano, because did you know the specifications for Steinway changes over the years. The Abel hammers and the other parts are just right, so the action weight is spot on. You've got to have the geometry just right to get this kind of control and to get everything to play so beautifully. So I'm going to end with another simple melody. This is the second movement of the famous C major sonata of Mozart, the K545, you all know. But the beautiful slow movement, the second movement, is what you're going to hear now. What a joy it is to play this piano. You know, interestingly, even brand new Steinways of the same model are all unique. And every now and then you get a special one. Before we rebuilt this piano, I could see the potential, and it was exciting. And to see it come together, you know, it takes almost a year to do what has been done to this piano. With all the work, and it's so worthwhile to end up with an instrument that is just exquisite to play. I'm interested in your opinion of this piano, and any questions about Steinway or anything musical at all, I'm here for you. I'm Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store. Thanks so much for joining me.